Hi, I am Veena from Learn for Lifetime. Today I am going to tell you about the Jollyphonics sound of letter A. How to say the sound of letter A is ah. Let's practice saying ah sounds together. First, say very quietly ah, ah, ah. Now say very loudly ah, ah, ah. Now say to the ceiling ah, ah, ah. Now say to the floor ah, ah, ah. Now say to each other ah, ah, ah. Well done. We use the action to remember the sound, and the action is wriggle your finger above your hand as if ants are crawling over you, like ah, 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 ah. Try with me. Ah, 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 ah. Now let's try with a rhyme, okay? Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they causing me alarm. Ah. Let's see some words which starts with a sound. Apple, ant, arrow. Now I will give you one activity in which you have to find out the pictures which starts with a sound. Now take your time and find out the pictures that starts with ah. Yes, they are. Very nice. So don't forget to subscribe our channel to see more videos, and see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.